How to fix common error in Google Drive. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Google Drive. In order to fix common error in Google Drive, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you try connecting or checking your internet connection. So long press the Wi-Fi connections, and then here you need to go ahead and locate your Wi-Fi connections, right? You want to click on it, make sure to restart or reconnect it. That might also be able to help. Next, you also want to make sure to go ahead and open up settings on your device and go to the app section, then click on Google Drive. Next, you want to click on storage, so click on clear cache. That might also be able to help. If not, click on the or you could try updating the app. Open up your respective app store, type in Drive, and click on the update button if you see so. So if the issue still persists or despite doing all this, then the simple start then you could follow this basic step, that is restarting your device. Hold on to your side button and then you could restart. At the same time, you could also uninstall the app. That should be able to fix. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.